one thing I realized that never fails. When you out here and you in the field and you working for these different companies, you have to realize one thing, that is one universal truth. They will always take care of their own. So if you're a person of color and you're working for them or with them, either or, they're gonna always look out for their best interest. That's just what it is. I mean, those are facts. So don't get your feelings hurt when that happens. Just know that, hey, back up, move on to the next, and just keep it going, because, you know, one thing for sure, they can't duplicate your work ethics, and that's what they want. And so they will recycle somebody that they have probably already fired 14 times. Literally. They will recycle this person because they got to deal with what they got. And when someone like you come on the scene, I mean, you coming to get the job done, they got to pay you, they got to respect what you want and move on. So they can't afford necessarily to have you on board all the time, but they most definitely want to pay you to get a job done, to catch up because they were behind. So just remember, you know, use it for what it is, a quick check, a quick come up, or whatever the situation is. I mean, I face it all the time on the road. The situation that I had in Tulsa, you know, was kind of similar to it too, honestly. You know, stuff happens, man, when you're on the road, and you do your part, and sometimes you got to drag up, or sometimes you got to finish early, but you never compromise your values, your worth, and what you believe in. Don't ever do that, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, a job is a basketball, but your morals is glass balls. You don't want to drop that. Hog on.